The crew's working on the foundation for the sawmill today. The bottom of the posts have been cut off, and they're going to get a concrete base and some pressure-treated protection underneath. Steel reinforcing rods.
You did that perfect, didn't you? You did that mix like that.
So that's pressure-treated lumber right between the wood and the concrete.
Yeah, same thing.
Those are for gate pieces?
These are for the cables.
Gotcha. And you forged those with the...
That's rebar, not rebar, but silo hoop. And the design is a railroad design that Ed Berry had me make for one over by the Lombard building.
Tony and Tori are rebuilding the steps for the caretaker's home.
Well, it's an annual project. But today's the stairs day by Tori. Vertical. Yeah, you can
Ed and Jim are milling lumber with the Thomas bandsaw today. They've made maybe 1,000 board feet.